Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Hub channel. My name is Moran Cherkes and today I'll be teaching you how to develop Sense theme in Shopify. So first of all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna navigate over to Online Store. So there we will see a drop-down menu and we will navigate over to Themes. As you can see, we already have a Dawn theme installed on our Shopify page. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna press here this button, Add Theme, and visit Theme Store. So we will be redirected to Shopify Themes. And there, we're gonna type in here Shopify Sense theme. As you can see, this is how the preview looks like. These are the features that they have. So what we're gonna do now, we will try this theme out. Now the theme has been installed. And we got redirected back to our theme. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna start customizing it. Now we're just going to wait for a couple of seconds until it installs completely. And now as it's installed, we are ready to customize it. So by pressing customize button, it will redirect it to the page builder. And here we will be able to start customizing the landing page itself. Here in the left side, we have the whole structure of the page. So if we press over here, you can see that this bar has been highlighted and that we are currently editing this specific bar. So if we want to change the text, we're just gonna press the one item below here where it says welcome to our store. Well, we can type in here free shipping for all orders above $100. So we will use this as a way to attract more customers to buy products worth over $100. Right now we are in the header section. So here we won't do much. We will keep it as it is. If we want to later on add a couple of new pages, I will show you how we will do that. So right now we will be editing this image with text. So I'll be pressing on this specific item. You can just press it here over in Builder. So what I'm gonna do, check out our new products. I'm not using the best copy right now, of course. I'm just showing you how to actually use this page builder and how to develop this theme by yourself. As you can see, Shop Now button, it takes you directly to all products. What you can do, you can redirect it to a specific product in case you're advertising a certain product, or you can take them directly to a collection. In this case, the button will be taking you directly to product pages where all of the products will be listed out. So if we want to specifically take them to a specific product, we will just use over here products, and now it gives us products where we want to redirect them to. So I'm just going to use this mouse, for example, that we installed, that we have right here, just for the training purposes. And that's it when it comes to customizing this specific section. So if we want to change the visual over here, if we want to change the photo, then we will be searching for something where it says image. And let's say that we will use this photo instead. As you can see, the photo has been changed. Now we can see that specific mouse over there. And this is how you change, guys, the photo. So in case you feel like there is something missing out, for example, you want to have reviews over here below that. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna press add section, reviews. Okay, they don't have anything developed such as reviews, so we will have to creating that from scratch. So how we gonna do that? What we will do, so we will add multi-column. As you can see, now we got 3 columns. So what we can do over here, we can type the name of the person who left the review. I'm just gonna use my name as a reference. I'm gonna use my partner's name, Teen, and I'm gonna use some random name, Marco, for example. These are Croatian names, guys. So, okay, what we're gonna do next, we can add images. Let's say that you want to add an image of the person who reviewed this specific product, for example. And what you're gonna do, you're just gonna click here, add images. You will be able to upload specific images. I'm just gonna use some random images. Okay, I'm just gonna use these logos as random images that we're gonna use as customer profile images, for example. So what's gonna happen? It's gonna apply it here, but it doesn't look appealing, so we might keep that one off. Or what you can do, you can customize it more specifically in the theme section, but that's something I would not recommend you doing because it would take you a lot of time to develop something in CSS, or you would have to hire an external contractor, a professional developer who understands the Liquid language, so they'd have to develop it for you. So if you're having issues with something like that, you can always find a workaround how to develop something like this so it looks appealing, so you don't waste much of your time while implementing something new, such as this one. And if you want to change the headline, like this multi-column, you will navigate over to the main part, which has multi-column, and you can see over here, reviews from our customers. So we can keep that one as it is. And if you have like tons of reviews, you can just develop one review page, which I'm going to show you later on how to develop. So you can actually link just reviews to this, for example, button. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna press on that button, feature collection. It doesn't allow me from here. So what I'm gonna do, check all reviews. So I've used this specific section to actually edit this specific button because it doesn't allow me to edit it from here. So the workaround is I'm gonna just use the right hand bar to develop something like this. And as we've said, we can link it to specific reviews. So what you can do, you can develop like a page where all of the reviews regarding that product have been listed out. So we're just gonna use pages. As we don't have that page sorted out right now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just press save over here. And then we're gonna navigate back to our main platform of Shopify. So what we're gonna do next, we're just gonna go over here to pages. I'm just gonna add page. We're gonna name it reviews. And I'm just gonna press save over here. I'm just gonna rename it. Okay, this is a default page. So I'm gonna navigate back over to our template, and then we're gonna go back to the section where we was editing that button. So now we have that page developed. As you can see, we can plug in the review page, and I'll press save. So I'm gonna press also publish. And what's gonna happen is gonna replace our current theme, Dawn theme, with this theme. So I'm just gonna press that one. And what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna go over here to see how our current store looks like. And this is how it looks like. When we press that, it should redirect us to that specific page that we just developed. As you can see, we got redirected to reviews page that we can later on develop more and more. Hopefully, guys, I gave you enough understanding of how this theme can be edited so you can use it by yourself. And if you have any additional questions regarding like specific actions that you guys want to take regarding developing this theme, feel free to comment down below and let us know, and we will give you more information regarding specific things that you guys need. Thank you guys for watching, and see you soon.